All right, guys, thanks for tuning back in with us. If you saw previously, we put Evolution Racewerks Midpipe on this X3M. We're going to come back today and kind of follow that up. We're going to change it out to a REMUS muffler, their proprietary tips, and their connection tubes. If you'll look from where the stock muffler is cut, this is a factory cut point on any kind of midpipe that you do, regardless of brand. But the way the muffler is welded here and the way that it's built compared to the new one, you have to get their connection tubes as well to complete this section. All right, so we're gonna end up using the valves off the stock exhaust. Gage has already pulled the wires on both sides. So next we just need to pull the bolts, pull the hangers, and out it will come.